Hey, it's Mark from SupplyHouse.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about the Modine PDP heaters. The PDP Propeller high-efficiency gas-fired unit heaters are inexpensive to install, easy to use, and cost-effective to run. Each Modine power-exhausted unit heater has 80% thermal efficiency, maximizing seasonal efficiency through the use of a collector box and the power exhauster. These units have a power exhaust that can be rotated 180 degrees, and the unit can be vented vertically or horizontally. They have a 100% shut-off intermittent pilot ignition system with continuous retry all PDP units to be field converted to propane if desired. The PDP line of heaters are available in 150 to 400,000 BTU models. Each unit has a safety pressure switch to assure safe venting conditions and are designed to utilize the smallest diameter vent pipe possible. PDP models are designed to operate against 0.5 inches of external static pressure. They utilize wing screws so that the bottom pan can be dropped without a screwdriver or nut drive. They also come with a level hanging mechanism for easy field adjustments after adding accessories that may change the unit's center of gravity. Optional finger-proof fan guard for operation at low mounting heights is also included. All Modine PDP units are made in the USA. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.